Baroness, it's your best girl, Princess Backyard in Rainbow 31. Today I'll be reacting to the Perilous Magical Pattern Problem, what it sounds like. So let's get to it. And by the way, I will take notes on what happens in my version of that song. So anyways, let's get started. Shall we, viewers? Then let's go!
Nothing but the truth now.
I feel bad for her.
Nothing but the proof of what I am.
Her pattern power.
The worst of what I came
but
from.
this is the start
Patterns I'm
of Bianca, the
ashamed
former Baroness's
Things
redemption.
that even I don't understand. I tried to
almost
fix
cried in that
it.
part.
I tried to fight it.
I almost
My
cried.
head was twisted and my heart divided.
I almost cried.
I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side.
My voice almost broke.
I broke it too.
I had to push through. No matter
And I can't
how
go
hot
back.
or how heavy I felt.
Seeing all the beauty in the
And Lily's
broken
pattern power
glass.
will return to that part.
Darkness and harmony.
Just like how the shape pattern returned.
This
Your
is
shape
what
out
it
to him.
sounds like. Why did I cover
And
up the colors stuck
I
inside
said
my
why two
head?
times, so
I
found
should
lights
have
at
let
night.
the
Why'd you do this,
jagged
Mom?
head
It's
just meet the
university.
light. Instead, show me what's underneath.
And there are clothes
I'll find your
between that song.
harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. I never thought you would insist. Of course I would insist. Maybe you can help me make a crystal kit. Has all crystals and decorate with patterns. Really? Despite all what I did? Of course.
Exactly. That's what
Let's
heroes
see.
do. She saved the
I
day.
want you. Oh, sorry.
Good
Let me
catch,
rephrase it. Well, I suppose we can't stay Manados forever. Exactly. There's no
That's
need
what I want.
for all ads anymore. We should give the Baroness another chance.
Now you guys are talking. And this is where the
We are
song
shattering the
begins.
silence. We are rising, defying, shattering the quiet. You are not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. Only these and these. Perfect.
And I even did some
Especially these patterns.
speaking parts.
These crystals right here. So do the patterns.
And this one's a major reference to
Only one
Teens
thing
versus
to
the
do.
Shape Band,
Triangle.
where they are
Dive
collecting
in
the shapes.
We'll be right here
For
by
the
your
shape band's
side. That's nice, both of your help. Exactly. Now let me tell you two something.
What?
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. And now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The sky's a part of me. Darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Here, you can try the pattern and the triangle. Me? No, I can't do it. Take the light instead. Show me what's
Now
underneath.
this has
I'll
speaking
find
and
your
singing in
harmony.
it.
Fearless and
it
undefined.
has
This is what it
A
sounds
major
like.
reference to Teens
I
versus
just can't.
Shape Band.
It won't work for me. I was struggling. I don't know about the patterns now. Come on, Baroness. You can do it. I'll help you all
Of
the way.
course we will help you, Baroness. All the way.
Okay, I'll give it a try. Go, Baroness. I'll place the crystal right here. Your turn, Baroness. Thanks, Gio. Now, where does this last pattern go?
Up there.
It goes from triangle, square, circle, triangle, square. Now, what's the last pattern?
The triangle.
Circle.
The circle. I was so close.
Right there, on the top of the crystal. Oh my god, I did it, you guys! I did it!
Yes, Baroness.
Yay, Baroness! And now, for the most important part, are you raising super shapes and pattern power? Super shapes! Oh, let's do this!
Teens versus the
Come
Shape
here, friend.
Band.
Let's help the Baroness!
This one's a
Really
major
sing.
reference.
Pattern power super shapes! Pattern power super shapes!
You guessed it. The Shape Band getting
You know what I'm
carried
talking
away
about?
and playing air
Super
guitar.
shapes, the perfect pattern power!
Never gets old.
Baroness, perfect pattern. Huh? It's over. Oh yeah, sorry, I could have kept singing. Look. Crystal Castle, my very own
In my
Crystal Castle.
version, the Crystal Castle is built thanks
You're
to
welcome, Baroness.
super shapes
All we gotta do
and
is find
decorated by
some way
nice
to get this
patterns.
where it belongs. How
And
about
they-
teleportation?
And
Great
this
idea.
teleportation to teleport outside the Crystal Cavern.
Here we go. Finally, fresh air, and it's perfect.
I knew it would be perfect.
Well, what is the thing, Baroness? New home, fancy, isn't it? Absolutely. However,
What?
Baroness von Parmegon is not truly my name.
It's not?
Huh? What? Exactly. It was a silly name I created.
Oh?
Huh?
What is it then?
Well, what is it?
We all want to know.
My real name is actually Bianca. And I'm Teeny Zooey's newest neighbor.
Plot twist. Now this was inspired
Isn't that
by
nice, Carrot
Mickey
Cake?
Mouse Clubhouse Super Adventure
Exactly.
where Mortimer
So
revealed
I
his
must say,
real
I'm
name.
quite impressed. Exactly. And then it means white. Just like how some ponies' coats are white. Even mine.
Very true.
Exactly. That's a good point. However,
Neighbors never run around taking
However,
patterns and colors.
many neighbors
And that's a
and
reference
pets and
where
animals
Minnie berates Mortimer
and
for
people like
shrinking
you, for
everything.
example, don't go around taking patterns and
And I
colors
also
and
forgot to
stuff.
mention that Bianca's name reminds me of Bianca from Lego Movie 2.
Especially he throwing innocent ones in towers at a crooked tower. And that's where he draw the line. You're right. I'm sorry.
It's a major reference. And obviously,
Look out! Shai's gonna use her high-tech parasol on us. Mamma mia! Everyone, hit the deck. No, take it easy, guys. You got the whole thing wrong.
Where the Clubhouse House and Pete
We did?
assume Mortimer's
Exactly.
gonna
I
shrink
want to
them.
restore everything back to
But
normal.
he actually reveals that he's
Starting with
gonna return everything back to
healing Millie's wounds, and of course, Umi found headquarters. Exactly.
And Millie's wounds are healed in my version. And in found headquarters, it's restored
And
to
of
its
course,
pattern and
heal
color.
Millie's wounds. I've heard she went through alicorn troubles.
Yeah, Millie did go
of
through a
course-
lot of alicorn troubles in my version.
But don't worry, techno magic can heal her.
And she's healed.
My wounds! They're gone! Thanks, Bianca. No problem. Umi found headquarters is back to its original color.
Exactly.
Now that's a whole level of better. It sure is. I can't wait to be back there. Even after I did.
Exactly.
So it's time we signed the oath to never do that again.
Yep, it's about time to sign an oath to never do that again.
Exactly. Applejack Zipstorm, I'm welcoming you back to Twilight's Castle and Umi Found headquarters. On one condition, to not be mean. Exactly. We accept it.
Very exciting. I
That's
never have a change of
great.
heart.
Exactly. Now, to make things right, as a thank you for helping me, it's my turn to do the same by giving back all the patterns and colors I took. With the help of Celestia, Luna, and Discord.
We're gonna do convergence teamwork magic.
Exactly. Ready, guys? Ready.
And they're gonna do the same
And I'll
thing.
help you guys with my paraslamming magic to show that magic and tech
The shape
can be used for the greater
restore
good
the shapes
and not
after his
evil.
house is built.
Including this
Especially
pattern
returning
world,
Geo
it can return
shapes.
any patterns. And magic and tech can return into colors as well.
I can't wait.
They're working together to bring the colors and patterns back to their original world.
And Equestria.
Yeah, and everything's back in Crystal City. My head on my house has got its color again. Finally, my tail, my dress,
Everything's going back to normal.
my sparkle shells, my pizza. Yay, woo!
And that audio is where
Well,
the shape
that
panel
should do
returns
it.
all the shapes to
Everything is
City.
back where they belong.
And exactly.
Not everything. Rainbow Dash is right. What's the last thing the Baroness has to give back?
Millie's patterns. That's the last thing.
Millie's patterns. Huh? What? Oh, right. Yeah. Millie. I almost forgot to give you your original pink
And
cherry
this one's a
blossom
major
patterns
reference
back.
from the SpongeBob movie, the real boy ending. And you guessed it, Millie's now an
What the?
alicorn.
Yo!
And I even did a special band reference
guess
for
I
Twisty
accidentally
Ups
said the course
again.
to real
And
alicorn
Balloon
ending.
Buddy. That makes sense for real alicorn ending. And now Millie is back to normal.
Oh, Millie, I am so sorry for taking your original pink cherry blossom patterns out of a misguided attempt. I promise I'll never steal anything ever again.
We forgive you.
All right.
Format.
You said it.
Woo! I knew And the changelings are singing.
This is what it sounds like. You know,
And that gave me the idea as when one of Nicki Minaj's backup singers couldn't stop
you
singing.
guys could have kept singing nice voices. Thanks. This is what it sounds.
And this is where Bianca joins
Maybe
Millie.
you sing with me? Absolutely, Bianca.
And that's their duet.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. And now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The sky's a part of me. Darkness and harmony.
Very
Without
emotional,
the
touchy
lights, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light. Instead, show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony.
Always our fears to him.
Fearless
It
and
can lead to bad
undefined.
problems.
This is what it sounds like. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like.
I
Fearless and
even got
undefined.
carried
This
in
is
the
what it
singing
sounds
part.
like.
Sorry about that.
After all this time, our voice without the lies. When
sing
darkness
this to the
finally hits
end.
the light. This is what it sounds like.
All the patterns and colors are restored. Even Millie's patterns.
Oh, what do you know?
We all
Patterns and
know.
the colors are back.
patterns
This
and the
time
colors are
to
back.
stay.
Exactly. Well, that was the Perilous Magical Pattern Problem. This is what it sounds like. Hope you enjoyed the reaction video. See ya!